I am extruding this squirrel embed for a design that I am going to be making today. I have the large one. I also made a mini, which they look like this. Aren't they cute? I'm going to put these little pieces on top as decoration. But I have this in the large extruder. This is using the 57mm disc, and I'm just going to go slowly because this tail piece, you see that right there? You do need to be careful so that you don't break that. So I'm just going to slowly extrude this out. I have a little bit of pull and some breaking because this gray I did not get like fully conditioned and incorporated into a nice solid block. And this extruder disc has a couple thin parts, like where its hands are and the ears for some fine definition. So it's not extruding perfectly. However, when I put it in the soap and then cut the bar, I don't think anyone will ever notice. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish extruding this, and then we'll come back and make the soap, and hopefully that turns out cute too. So this design I am making in apples and oak from Nature's Garden. And part of why I chose the scent is because I love the apple smell. And also because it doesn't discolor to brown like the majority of the fall scents. Oh, fall is so hard to design for. So what I'm doing, this is going to be the grass. I had it in my idea to kind of make a tree with a squirrel sitting under it. Just give me a second. So you see I extruded these squirrels. So they're large and then they're small. The large one is going to sit in there. And I made basically a tree trunk that I'm going to sit in the middle. So I was just going to make the squirrels, but when I made the tree trunk embed, basically the easiest way to make it gave me 2 lengths, which meant I could make 2 batches. So I'm going to do this basically same idea of a batch again tomorrow, but instead of embedding squirrels, I have this fox extruder disc. Don't have it on me, but I'll show it to you tomorrow. Heads up, I say these things like I'll show it to you tomorrow, but then I don't necessarily put these videos in the order that I make them, so sometimes those things don't make sense, those comments don't make sense. I apologize. Anyways, here is my tree, which I'm just going to set on top. Oh! This is how my day is going. Nothing about my batches has been going well today. They've been giving me all sorts of frustration. I'm going to go mix the blue, let this set up a little bit before I try and add the squirrels. But I will add the squirrels in next. They're going to be out of proportion. I really probably should have done the small squirrel if I wanted it to be more proportionate, but I like the big squirrel, and I'm not apologizing it for being disproportionate. Let me go make the blue and then I will be back. I was going to actually swirl the blue, do 2 tones of blue, but because of my mishap earlier, the soap is just getting thicker than I wanted, so I am just doing a straight color. Okay, I'm going to get my squirrel in. Which, telling you, today is not my day. Oh, good grief. Oh, I don't think it's too bad. There's a little bit of green on the side, but whatever. Telling you, soap gremlins are out in full force today. Yep. This is not my day. Not my day. If these soaps actually turn out cute, I'm trying to be very happy. Good grief. So I just want the blue to line up with the top of the tree trunk, and then I'm going to try and put green on top of that so the whole top looks like a tree. So the idea is I'm going to kind of just go back and forth with each color and kind of create stripes of color in hope, I don't know, that it'll give it a bit more of a tree look versus just a solid color. It's part of why I wanted to swirl the blue, but I think dual color green is more important. So I'm just gonna basically try and stripe it and go back and forth. So this one was a challenge. My green ended up more teal blue, which is frustrating, but whatever. I love the squirrel. The tree might be a little too thick, I don't know, and it's straight. I think I should have tried to make it like drop into the sky a little bit. I don't know. I mean, it's not awful. I do like the kind of varying green patterns. It has an abstract kind of feel to it. When I look at it from afar, I like it better than when I'm looking at it up close. Like, I think I can see the whole picture, and like, I like the pattern I managed to get in the wood. Doing the pour. I love the squirrel. I think I probably should have done a slightly lighter gray, but one of these I had a darker soap dough gray and the other I had a little bit lighter, and I definitely like the lighter better. I mean, it's not quite what I was going for, but it's cute, and if I never said anything, I don't think anyone would know. So I should just pretend like it's amazing every time I cut something, right? And then you all would never know. I have to say, it's not bad. Like, it's just not quite what I was picturing. I do love this effect that I got with the tree. And the squirrel is cute. And then you have the squirrels on top, just as a little decoration. It's fun. I shouldn't be so hard on myself. Okay, let's see what we have. I like that the fox stands out more than the squirrel. Got a little bit more definition in these trees. The grass did not go in quite as well. I had issue with the tree again. Cute little foxes. It's cute. A little abstract, but still, I love the fox. I thought about trying to break through the blue a little bit this time, but I didn't. Again, I just did a straight line. I don't know if that was the best choice, but it looks like a tree and a fox sitting under it. So I will take it. See, I like that just a little bit of wave because trees aren't completely straight.